Once you've seen the cube houses and the Markthal in Rotterdam, it's time to explore other, not less beautiful things. For example, Rotterdam City Hall might not be the most touristy thing to do in the city, but it has such a beautiful courtyard. If you go past it, don't hesitate to take a minute for a sneak peek inside. The next stop on our to-do list was the Harbour. Rotterdam is a pivotal hub in the global logistics network, which connects over 1,000 ports worldwide.
The weather is perfect for filming today, that's why we're filming. The harbour in Rotterdam is considered to be one of the largest in Europe, or according to some sources, the largest in Europe, like the seaport. And behind me is a very beautiful Erasmus Bridge that we're going to today.
Generally, it's a pretty nice place to be. There was such a variety of different ships and boats and also cool artsy elements.
Erasmus Bridge is one of the most famous sites in Rotterdam, and it also connects the northern part of the city with the southern part of the city. It seems to be also suitable for pedestrians, so I think we'll go and check it out.
Erasmus Bridge in Rotterdam is affectionately known as the Swan because of its elegant asymmetrical pylon that resembles the neck of a swan. The bridge was a significant engineering challenge due to the soft soil conditions in Rotterdam. It was also super windy on the day we came there. Erasmus Bridge has dedicated paths for cyclists and pedestrians, so you can easily explore it on foot or with a bike.
The port of Rotterdam seems to be an absolutely amazing place because it combines such versatile architecture. Besides just normal brick houses, you'll find North American skyscrapers and also floating houses on the water.
Indeed, Rotterdam is known for its innovative and unique housing solutions, including floating homes. Those homes on water are part of the city's forward-thinking approach to urban planning and sustainability, addressing challenges such as rising sea levels and limited land space. On our way to Euromast, we came across one of the tunnels. The Maastunnel is one of the oldest tunnels under the river in Rotterdam. It connects the northern and the southern parts of the city. It has separate tubes for cars, cyclists and pedestrians and feels super long when you go through it. The Euromast is one of Rotterdam's most iconic landmarks, of course. You can buy tickets online or buy them on spot. Online will be a bit cheaper though. Basically, it's an observation tower providing panoramic views of the city and its surroundings. For thrill seekers, the Euromast offers activities such as abseiling and zip-lining from the tower. Due to the weather conditions, it might not be available on certain days. The Euromast features a restaurant where visitors can enjoy meals and refreshments while taking in the panoramic views. I must say the day was pretty windy and we felt how the Euromast is moving.
So we just visited Euromast and went to the park, and in the park you can find this absolutely stunning building. It's an art depot, meaning you can have a look behind the scenes, how the museum works, like what kinds of procedures they do, or else if you don't want to go inside you can just enjoy this absolutely beautiful facade. It's a mirrored facade, you can see how it reflects the sky and the park.
The depot includes over 100,000 pieces of art ranging from medieval to contemporary works. The collection includes paintings, sculptures, photographs and design objects. You can explore the depot via a guided tour or on your own. As you can see, there are so many cool modern spots in the city, all with different ideas. Rotterdam is a city rich in contemporary art. My personal favorite was an art installation called Melisham Hates Her Job. It has resonated with a broad audience due to its relatable and provocative message. After seeing so many things, one will definitely need a good meal. The Kapsalon is a Dutch fast food dish that originated here in Rotterdam around the early 2000s. It was reportedly invented by a hairdresser who frequented in a nearby snack bar. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.